Hello everyone, this is Lindy from Love Create Celebrate, and I am so excited to finally be sharing our office reveal. This is our vlog episode 4. If you missed the other 3 episodes, I will link them up top and in the description below so that you can follow along. I'm not kidding when I tell you that this was the real before of my office before we started any renovations. It was just a huge mess, and honestly I could not wait to finally get some organization into this space. We cleared everything out of the space, started from scratch with our renovations, and I can't believe how good it looks now. We had several partners provide product for this renovation, and we will list those partners in the description below. Without further ado, here is our new home office. Starting with this beautiful glass door from Matree. This space has never had a door on it before, and I love the natural light that the glass lets into this room. We added a beautiful contemporary flat black knob and black hinges to our door as well, both from Schlag, Canada, to really start the room off with that modern feel. As soon as you enter the space, you're drawn into those beautiful black cabinets. The cabinets and black door fronts are all from IKEA, and they really make a beautiful statement as soon as you get into the room. The flooring is a beautiful faux wood grain hexagon tile from Jeffrey Court Tile, which is available at Home Depot, and they draw the eye perfectly into these nesting tables and this accent chair. It was surprisingly hard to find a comfortable chair that had a really small footprint, but I love the idea of cozying up in the sky and making lists in my office. This grid inspiration board was a DIY that I will link to in the description below. I really wanted a beautiful background for videos and DIY projects, so we thought through every detail of this cabinet design. We made our own wooden floating shelves for the space and filled the space between the cabinets with a beautiful white fan tile from Jeffrey Court Tile. We added this beautiful quartz countertop piece. It was custom made for the space by a local company that I will link to below, and it only took a week to template the space and install the slab, which was amazing. The addition of the black and brass sconces from Hudson Valley Lighting, as well as the gorgeous crown molding from Matree, really finish off the space beautifully. And speaking of lighting, we can't forget this gorgeous brass chandelier from Hudson Valley Lighting. Then on the other side of the office is that beautiful watercolor mural wallpaper that we were putting up the other week. The piece is from Murals Wallpaper, and it only took us a couple of hours to install the entire design. It is such a beautiful piece and a focal point in the room. It sits behind our sit-stand desk, and I just love the character that it adds to the space. The rest of the space is finished off with some greenery, a little bit of artwork, and some beautifully styled pieces on the shelves. I'm so happy that our new home office is finally finished. Honestly, the thing I'm probably most excited for is all of the new storage we have. We added these sleek little black handles from Liberty Hardware that blend beautifully into the cabinets. It's such a great use of the space, and I've already filled up all of these drawers, so hopefully I can keep it all organized. And that's all for our office renovation, you guys. I hope you loved this space as much as we did. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit that bell so you can be notified of more great DIY and renovation videos.